HP ShareClick Enterprise does what no other product does. It isolates the threat, protects the endpoint computer, which in turn protects your entire organization. You're able to track a large amount of machines with a small team. So at Masonicare, we have about 1,300 devices. They range from, desktops, laptops, and also our med carts are very important machines to us because those are the machines that are used for our electronic health records. So we put HP ShareClick on all of our endpoints in the continuum. If any of the electronic health record data left our environment, we could be held liable for a HIPAA breach, and that breach could cost us millions. It's very important for Masonicare to have HP ShareClick because it protects our endpoints like no other product does. So having HP ShareClick Enterprise installed lets me sleep at night knowing that we're protected against the bad guys.